मैं इसराइल की कंडेमनेशन कर रहा हूँ, आपको तकलीफ क्यों हो रही है?
No, please.
मैं इसराइल की कंडेमनेशन कर रहा हूँ, आपको तकलीफ क्यों हो रही है? ये आपने उनको अपना फादरलैंड बनाया होगा, अपना पिताश्री बनाया होगा, हमारा नहीं है। आपको तकलीफ क्यों हो रही है?
See, every
ईरान क्यों चला जाऊं? मैं ईरान क्यों चला जाऊं?
No, please.
Don't answer to them.
You please address the chair.
उनका ख्वाब है जो हमें या कभी पाकिस्तान या कभी ईरान भेजना चाहते हैं। मैं हैदर करार की नस्ल में से हूँ, जहाँ पे हक है वहाँ पे खड़ा हो जाओ। To express my condolence to the people of Iran over the martyrdom of the leader Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei, the killing of innocent.
No, please. Please confine to the budget.
More
please.
than 150 girls, kids were killed in the school. I express my condolences to the people of Iran, to the peace-loving people, the just people all around the world, and I condemn the regime,
No, please.
Zionist regime of Israel. I condemn this act. I condemn the Zionist regime of Israel for their terrorist act, aggression in Iraq.
You please. This is Rohit ji, this
मैं इसराइल की कंडेमनेशन कर रहा हूँ, आपको तकलीफ क्यों हो रही है?
No, please.
मैं इसराइल की कंडेमनेशन कर रहा हूँ, आपको तकलीफ क्यों हो रही है? ये आपने उनको अपना फादरलैंड बनाया होगा, अपना पिताश्री बनाया होगा, हमारा नहीं है। आपको तकलीफ क्यों हो रही है? इसराइल की कंडेमनेशन कर रहा हूँ।
Please. One second. Please, bite here. This is there is no problem in criticizing everything. Please. If you are speaking on the railway budget, you can continue. Otherwise, you cannot go like this. No. We are discussing on demand number 85. That is the railway demands. This is nothing to do with the Iran issue. It is nothing to do with the international issue. Please don't discuss the extraneous issues than this. Please. And nothing will going on record also. Please. No. Every submission.
ईरान क्यों चला जाऊं? मैं ईरान क्यों चला जाऊं?
No, please.
Don't answer to them.
You please address the chair. You please, if you want to speak on the budget, you can speak. No, you please address me. I will control the house, please. No. You please address the house. If you are speaking on the railway budget, you can speak. Otherwise, it will not be permitted. Please.
And
No,
not to shout.
you can make the
Not to
submission.
shout.
You can make the submission in 0 hour. You can make so many other rules are there. You can bring the notice of the house. There is no problem. But this is purely the railway budget discussion. Nothing to do with the Iran issue. Please.
All right. Thank you, sir. Just to put on record, the people, those who wanted to send me to Iran.
No. Again, you are going back. No, nothing will going on.
ये आपका सपना है.
Except the debate.
Sir,
वो रिकॉर्ड में नहीं किया.
No, you please. This is not going on record. We are all concerned about the issue, but this is not the way by which the issue has to be brought before the House.